Floater tires are off, skinnies are on. Need to put the crop dividers on still. I'm out of water, need to refill. So we're going to be spraying a fungicide later. And we've been cleaning out flat bottom bins, getting down to the last bit of grain to haul. The crops were looking dry off the start, not that good. But in a dramatic turn of events, we got some rains and they're starting to turn around. So we're going to be spraying a little bit of fungicide, not a lot. So things are looking up a bit. They're not too bad actually. Now this is some good driving. I forgot my water bottle on the water trailer. It is still standing upright. Got the weed whacker to whack some grass down by the pump. I thought this was gone. Costco, these are actually pretty good bottles. That water standing, drowning out some fields. This was seeded. We seeded right through that. It was completely dry in the spring. Josh and Carter, my jakes aren't as loud as yours. The canola is flowering, and so is the wheat. So if you look really closely at the wheat head, you will see there's some white and yellow flowers coming from the wheat head called anthers, which means that the wheat is in its pollination process, which is critical for kernel development. So right now, the wheat is in its prime time. So if we can spray a fungicide on this wheat, we're gonna hopefully see a plant response. Fusarium is mostly the disease we're fighting against, trying to protect the wheat from, but also some leaf disease too. I don't see a lot. You'll see some blotching or striping on the leaves. It's not a heck of a lot. Had to take the oiler flag down. Don't need it flying all summer. We go through a lot of flags. They're not cheap. Full line dropped off the fence while I was gone. It was in there for a while at the shop. It had some software issues. I forgot who he was and what his job was. So hopefully that's resolved. Gotta rinse the sprayer before I go in with fungicide. So you know what that means. Oh! Oh, that's good. Just had my moose sausage and pierogies. Time to see what this wheat really looks like. Yeah. After a few fields of wheat, we'll be on to the canola. It's just starting to flower. You want about 20% bloom, about 15 flowers on the main stem. And I won't do the entire fields, I'll just kind of pick my spots. Like this flat here is really good. The south half of this quarter I'll do. And probably this entire field here too. Only a few flowers, maybe 5 right now. Or it could be a complete waste of time too on the canola. The wheat, usually spray the wheat. If it looks semi-good, we'll spray the wheat. But the canola might be a waste. Sprayed lots last year, but we had triple the rainfall and we did see a response, so good thing I did spray quite a bit. This year we've only had, you know, the rains coming lately and they have sort of stopped and there's nothing in the forecast, but the canola looks pretty good, so just gonna do a little bit, I think. How many flowers are we actually at? None. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so it's close. It's close here. Got the crop dividers on, the EKs. Oh, it always breaks my heart driving over the crop. The dividers are taller than the wheat. At least right here anyway. This is where I do my best scouting. Oh, branch tickler. The sprayer. See what this wheat really looks like. Tillmore, kind of a middle of the row fungicide. Not the most expensive, but had pretty good luck with it in the past. 10.7 gallons. It's my gray T-Jet dual nozzles. Neighbor's getting fired up. He's got the same idea. He's also probably thinking, geez, I thought it was a lot calmer when I left the yard. The crop dividers are set at 16 inches high and they're basically the height of the wheat. So it's not doing much. Canola they will. I haven't figured out how to really set them to desiccate through the canola because they just trip and you're just plowing. So I have to mess around with that. We ended up just taking them off last year. Wheat's better here. This is my gauge. It's as high as the divider. See that one? This one's still here? Yep. Yep, pretty good here. Pretty good. Gosh dang it, that looks good. Apparently I gotta watch my language. Just thought I broke the boob in half and was having a meltdown. It happens. Daily. Not much of a track. Also seated on that angle for some reason. That's what the finished product looks like. Not much of a track. Dad's coming down the grid to pick me up. Next field, I got 15 acres left in the tank. Spray that out and try again in the morning. Hopefully it's not too windy.